I jumped off the Mayflower in Jamestown with a dream and my bonnet on. Welcome to the land of the 3Gs, whoa, God's golden glory. And I can hear him for the first time. Look to my right and I see God's given sign. This is manifest destiny. To the west we're expanding. The land is growing and the station's kind of worthless. Too much conflict and I'm nervous. As to the north and south fought over slavery. And emancipation was on. And Gettysburg was on. I put my hands up, we're staying neutral. Wilson's gonna keep us safe. Wait, the Germans are bad. We heard the Zimmerman telegram. So I got my guns up, the bullets flying by, but I know I'm gonna be okay. Yeah, Wilson's 14 points were made. Yeah, the Treaty of Versailles will stay. Get to the club with my new style. Everybody's dancing to jazz now. Like, who's that flapper that's rockin' swing? She gotta be from out of town. So hard with my drink not around me. Prohibition's gonna ruin this party. 'Cause alcohol gives me good feels. 18th Amendment repeal. The Great Depression got me feeling kinda homesick. Too many foreigners, I'm nervous. That's when FDR dropped the atomic bomb. And World War II was on. And 9066 was on. And 802 was on. Put my signs up, they're playing the Stones. The counterculture is here. Doing my drugs like yeah. Having sex with everyone like yeah. I got my peace sign up, we're protesting. I want it to be better now. Yeah. Revolution for the USA. Yeah. Hippies leading the USA. Feel like voting for Reagan. For Reagan. We need Reaganomics now. Money. Something to stop inflation. Inflation. The people help my fight and I feel alright. So I put my sign up. They weren't afraid to my rights. The government was down. We're shaking the head like no. Yelling my speech like no. So I got my sign up. Now they're fixing my rights. I know I'm gonna be okay. Yeah. It's Ronald Reagan in the USA. Yeah. It's Ronald Reagan in the USA. So I put my hands up to help me out, but there's foreign issues at stake. Troops fight Vietnam, yeah. Fighting Soviets, yeah. I got my guns out, they're winning the wars. I know we're gonna be okay. Yeah, it's great in the USA. Yeah, it's great in the USA.